Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Now I am going to upload the video from the 4th September JEE Shift 1 questions. This question is belonging to limiting reagent which is given by NTA. So questions are very simple only. Now let us see the question. 0.5 mole of barium chloride is mixed with the 0.2 mole of sodium phosphate. The maximum number of moles of barium phosphate that can be formed is. So what is this reaction is based on the limiting reagent. Now let us go and see the methodology. So children, now you are having the two chemicals are mixing. Barium chloride, sodium phosphate. Barium chloride is 0.5 mole and sodium phosphate is 0.2 mole is taken. They asked you to find out the number of the moles of barium phosphate. So whatever given in the question, I am giving in the form of equation for understanding and easy to work. What is our first work is these chemicals equation, right, and balance it. You can start the balancing here, of course. That is your phosphate is 2. Put it here, your sodium 3276, 6 chlorine. So this is. So now all the equation is completely balanced. How we should approach the sum is, the plan is given here. First you have to find out the limiting reagent. From the limiting reagent, you have to find out the number of moles of barium phosphate. So limiting reagent is important question in the chemistry. So this type is very important. Now I am giving the one short trick to find out the limiting reagent. Just this trick is here. This is the very important trick to calculate the limiting reagent. So what is written is here N by stoichiometric coefficient. So what we should do it, first for barium chloride, number of the moles divided by coefficient. What is the number of the mole is given is 0.5. Its stoichiometric coefficient is 3. This one we are getting value is 0.166. I am keeping as it is. Then I am going to do here, that is you give if you are writing straight away, mean there may not be any confusion, easily you can do. So my important instruction is rough work also you do it neatly in the examination hall. So now what is this is number of mole is 0.2, stoichiometry 2, getting cancelled 0.1. So now you compare the value of this one and this one, which is smaller. Now I have written here, you can see 0.16 is greater than this. So this is smaller. Whichever you are getting as a small value is called it as a limiting reagent. So we are concluding now. This is your sodium phosphate is the limiting reagent. Next, what is the next part is, this one I am writing as it is. That means whatever formula we followed by sodium phosphate, that is N by stoichiometric coefficient, this is written for sodium phosphate. Same thing you write. Since it is limiting reagent, I am taking. Suppose you are getting this is small mean, this is the limiting reagent that you should take. So what we should take it, whatever the limiting reagent, 1 out of 2 only the limiting reagent, any one only. That any one coming as a limiting reagent, you can take the same formula you substitute. That is called as a same formula you apply. Number of moles divided by stoichiometric coefficient. That is 0.2 divided by 2 is equal to. Now come here, whatever the question, this is your question. Number of moles of barium phosphate divided by its stoichiometry is here 1. So writing here. So what is our question is, you have to calculate number of moles of this. So now here it is 1. On getting cancelled, what you are getting is what is 0.1. So number of moles of your barium phosphate, your answer is here, you can write as a 0.1. Suppose this question it is okay. Sometime instead of this number of mole, they may ask the amount of the barium phosphate. Suppose if you are giving like this, mean for this okay. Suppose they are giving me, use the formula, number of moles equal given mass by molecular mass. If I multiply the number of moles by molecular mass, you will get the amount. So in this term, you should be very careful. They are asking number of moles or the amount. Number of moles is stop with here all the amount went, you have to go one more step.